Thomas and his friends saw the other stuff. Look, Thomas, more metal mane. Thomas, that one's moving. It's alive. I think you'll find it has a helping hand, Percy. Now, you guys are probably done. Can I go to the washdown now? Of course you can, James. Oh, bother. I still need 3 of you guys to take those troublesome trucks down there. Hero was happy to be coming back from the mainland. When? Oh, my. James was happy to have a fresh clean. But then... What was that? Gordon and Spencer are happy to have a race again. Who was that? Don't ask me. I've never seen the 2 speedy engines. And they were both streamlined like Spencer. Hello there. I'm Connor. And I'm Caitlin. We are here to bring passengers from the mainland. We're having a little race. Care to join us? Well, I have to get back to Knapford now. Yes, I have work to do too. We never race. Yeah, never. Suit yourselves. I still need James. I'll ask Sir Topham Hatt to call him. But Thomas didn't want to wait for James to come. I'm sure Percy and I can do it. He wanted to tell Stephen all about his new job. Wait, hold on, Thomas. Shouldn't one of us be in the front? What happens if we get on top of the slope? But it is too late. The troublesome truck's already going down. Whoa! Cinders and ashes. Faster, faster. That sounds like a runaway train. There was only one way he could go. Cinders and ashes, Percy. That was a close one. Thomas and Percy. He pulled and pulled. They didn't realize that poor Stephen was trapped in the mine. Hello? Anybody hear me? Visitors were now coming from the mainland. Thomas had chucked into the steamworks. Hello, Victor. Where's Stephen? I don't know, Thomas. He left in quite a hurry. He kept asking about his new job. His new job? He didn't know it was. Where could he have gone? Thomas was worried about Stephen. When he told James and Percy, they were worried too. See, Thomas, the Earls warned you not to tell Stephen. Now look what's happened. Nothing's happened. We could find him. They asked everybody. Sorry, Percy. I honestly didn't see him. I don't think he came to the castle. That old-fashioned engine? Yeah, he was here, James. Diesel had to tell him to keep out of the way. He looked like a nice engine, Thomas, but the cars were too heavy for him. Nobody knew where Stephen was, and it was already starting to get dark. That night, Thomas told the other engines that Stephen was missing. He couldn't have gone far, Thomas, but he might be in danger. Well, you shouldn't have told him he had a job when he didn't. But Stephen does have a job to do for the Earl. We all have to find him. The next morning, Thomas woke up all the engines. Beep, beep. Come on, Stevies. Get those boilers bubbling. We need to find our friend Stephen. Thomas, James, Percy, where are you all going? Sorry, sir, but the Earl's steam engine Stephen has gone missing. We have to find him. Has anyone seen Stephen? Victor said he left the steamworks and hasn't come back. I need him at the grand opening of Volstead Castle tomorrow. I see. Please, sir, may Percy, James, and I look for Stephen? Very well, Thomas. I'll have your jobs to other engines. Thank you, sir. Yes, thank you, Sir Topham. And I shall also alert the Sodor Search and Rescue Center.